Big sign hurt me now. So we go on and ship and take a bag also. Fuck! You may look, what's that shit? So much tight on that shit. Yeah, why, man? Hey, what is that? What is that? Utter. What? With the utter.
Yes. Welcome back to my channel. Now today we have the pioneer of storytelling. Even though right now we have Badacat and King Johnny and Jizzy and all them on the way, funny and ironic please. This brother right here, I'm starting. But when YouTube just get popular, this man on YouTube. Who me attack? Mr. Hot Chalala himself. Man called Soup Bone or Meat Bone. Yeah, Soup Bone. Anyways, we're gonna watch, laugh, and enjoy. But before so just click the like button or press the like button for me right now. Respect for that.
Ready? You're the follow up between it now. After I'm on the ship here, you know, and I work hard, and I say I'm gonna pass a banana and I'm gonna pass the water. So I say, whoops, I take out the banana and I eat it. Whoops, I take out the water and drink it. My belly start hurting now. I'm going on the ship, but I want to take a bag out and make you come look, water shit, some tight and start to shake it up. Your white man come now. Hey, what you got there? Right away, I just say, utter a lot. I say, what? I say, utter a lot. I say, very good for me. I say, it make you speed the truth, long remembrance and make you remember God. I say, what I want 3 cups. I say, 1 cup will do. I say, your ingredients, I want 3 cups. I say, $80,000 for the man. The 4th cup, I'm telling you, my God! I say, taste it, make you remember God. Him tell the 2nd cup. This tastes like shit! I say, taste it, make you speed the truth. As long as I live, I will never drink another one like this. I say, tell it, I get long remembrance.
Hot Chalala, boss man, me say. My God, this tastes like shit. Me tell her say, what? Me turn, when you know, Peanut Jed, tongue twist. Me tell her say, it make you speak the truth. As long as I live, I'll never drink another cup. Me tell her say, gonna give a long remembrance. Oh my God. Where drink name? Hot Chalala.
Me man, Soup Bone again man. You know say in the old time days when granny have them rooster, them call it cock. This part of a cock. And him love him cock, you know. Him say nah eat him cock until Christmas. So them thief pastor cock. So pastor say I'm gonna bring it up at service when them go to service Sunday. So when him go to service Sunday, you know what I'm saying? Have anybody seen a cock? Him say the man him stand up. Him say no. Have anybody get a new cock yesterday? Him say the woman them stand up. Him say no. Have anybody seen my cock? Guess what? Him say the whole of the altar boy them stand up.
Composure. Pastor must be a part of the Catholic Church. Am I allowed to say that on YouTube? Pastor, Catholic preacher, or Catholic priest, or Catholic bishop. Yo, we need to find Meat Bone. Soup Bone rather. Soup Bone need to be forward back on the internet. My God, that was funny.
Father, I'm on the ship and everything I said there on the ship, you know. I say, boy, I have to make some money on the ship, you know. So I'm going to pass the water, I'm going to take up one water. And drink it. I'm going to pass the banana, I'm going to take up one pizza. And eat it. Big sign hurt me now. So I'm going on the ship and take up one water. Fuck! You may look, what's that shit? So much tight on that shit. Yeah, why, man? Hey, what is that? What is that? Utter. I say, what? I say, utter. What's good for? I say, long remembrance. Make you speak the truth and make you remember God. I say, I want 3 cups. I say, 1 cup will do. I say, your ingredients, I want 3 cups. I give him 3 cups and give me 8,000. Give me 8,000. Now watch him, you know. My God! I say, what the same thing I tell make you remember God? What's that? This tastes like shit. I say, yeah man, same thing I tell you make you speak the truth.
And he goes so. As long as I live, I'll never drink another cup. See, me tell us I give a long remembrance. Me I remember a joke, you know. Oh my God, no matter how much time you hear this joke, it's still funny. Yeah.
I want wanna dance with somebody. I wanna eat with somebody. I wanna dance with somebody to love me. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna eat with somebody. I wanna dance with somebody to love me.
Me won't sound like when your woman lock down, the kids them gonna sleep. And she make the noise there. You get
And me, man, Superbone, man, the Atlas man again, man. With a brand new joke this time. In name, Attempt to Peer. Skip, bing! You understand I'm going to the court, you know. The judge said, Death and Taxter, and I want to know that Superbone, you are charged for attempt robbery. I fine you $5,000. How do you plead? But the judge, you fine me $5,000? You know, for when you look for about 2 weeks now. Thank you, judge, thank you. They come to my court. I said, no, Your Honor. They come to my court. I said, no, Your Honor. And say, attempt robbery just like real robbery said, pay up or you go to jail. I said, all right, I pay, Your Honor. When I'm pocket, I'm going to go. Said, where did mark in the court again? I said, no, Your Honor. You say attempt robbery just like real robbery said, just attempt to pay, Your Honor. Just attempt to pay you. Okay, bing! I use my cellular, get your regular.
yo, Superbone too funny. So when we go to supermarket next time, I go attempt to pay and take out the stuff them and see what happen. So this is Superbone. Me keep on calling man Meatbone because one man from the community used to name Meatbone. Ragabone, we used to call him too. He used to sell drugs. Rest in peace to him. Me an inform on him, man. But he dead still, that's why I said the part there. Natural causes. Man live out in age, think he turned 65 or something like that when he passed. But anyways, Superbone, the pioneer, the original storyteller in Jamaica. We need to find him because we know he have a bag of story left. I have a story, the batty face story. My God! Anyways, me hope you like the video and me hope you guys enjoy the content that I'm producing. I soon start in my studio, I'm looking studio home, make the videos better, the quality better, the sound better. But me like my car still. Tell me if me need to move now, me look what you call it, homemade studio or stay in my car. Yes, me I say, leave no feedback in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and leave a comment below and share with your dirty ex. God bless you. Stay safe.